my friends. Well, with my garden nicely tucked in for the winter, I can now go to some warmer places, visit, and learn about the different kind of flora and fauna in other places that I'm not familiar with. And that's what I want to share with you today is I am here in San Diego, California, where my daughter lives, and I discovered outside of her door, I'll show you over there, I'm going to do a close-up here in just a second, it's called a strawberry tree. Did we ever even know that a strawberry tree existed? Well, I didn't, and let me turn the camera and show you more. Okay, I thought that I would share with you some facts about the strawberry tree and where it comes from, which is the Mediterranean Basin and Western Europe. It is actually it's known as the Arbutus, and I hope I'm saying that right, Arbutus berry, which is how it became the national tree of Italy, if you can believe it. And a lot of it's for the coloring that are similar to the colors of the Italian flag. It's also known as the Irish strawberry tree, and cane apple tree is another name for it. The flowers are really delicate, and you can see that throughout the tree. They have a bell shape to them, and the flowers first are white, and then they turn pink, and then, of course, turn into the fruit of this. The leaves are just a shiny, dark, oblong tree, and again, you can use those to eat if you wish as well. It requires light to full sun, partial shade. Is if for those of you who are worried about the care of the tree, it needs a well-drained soil, such as sand, and this was actually just planted straight into the grass. Because I don't know anything about how it was planted, it looks like it's been here a while, especially if you look at the trunk of the tree, you will see that it has been here for a while. Its growth rate, they say, is very slow. And yeah, but look at the trunk of it. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? I just love the trunk of this tree. And what else can I tell you about it? It is actually, the fruit is the key ingredient in the Portuguese honey liqueur Dom Christina. So there's all kinds of different little things you can find out about the strawberry tree if you so wish. But yeah, some people see it as a delicacy, some do not. And I am going to do a little taste test and see myself, do I dare do a taste test of this strawberry? It is edible, it is not poisonous, which is what will give me the desire to try it at all. So let's go ahead and I will pick it. Oh, look, this is the eucalyptus tree, which also grows beautifully in this area. I love the smell, the look, all of that of the eucalyptus trees as well. Can't show you a tree here without them, but let's go inside and taste test. So I thought that I would show you the strawberry from the strawberry tree and do a little, should we say, a taste test of it? So here it is, and it feels like the outside of it feels like a strawberry. Like it is very similar, yet very different. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut it in half so we can see the middle of it. And here's what it looks, it's kind of orangish on the inside. It almost looks like there's a seed in there too. So I'm gonna be daring. I'm gonna try this. Some people say it doesn't taste so good. And I think they're right. It's very coarse and textury. It almost tastes like a bunch of seeds inside of it. I'm gonna vote no for the strawberry from the strawberry tree, but it is interesting to check out. All right, that's it from the strawberry tree. Okay, so that is a wrap from here under the strawberry tree. We discovered, yeah, it doesn't taste so good. It's always interesting, always important to check to make sure it's edible before you try it. I did try it. I can say that I did it. Didn't like it, and but it is still a beautiful tree, and it's great for the pollinators and for the birds, etc. Please subscribe to our channel and let me know your thoughts if you've ever seen the strawberry tree, or if you know any more about it that you want to add to the comments below. Be sure to like if you liked it, and we'll see you here soon. Take good care.